Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the latest update from System 76, the brand new Cosmic Desktop Alpha 6. This alpha release, built with Rust, comes packed with important improvements, bug fixes, and a bunch of new features that are really shaping the future of the Cosmic Desktop environment. Now, before we get into all the details, remember, Cosmic is still a work in progress. Some early adopters are already using it as their daily driver, but if you're just curious, you might get a better feel when the beta drops. Either way, these monthly-ish updates give us a peek into the evolving UI, UX, and app ecosystem. Let's kick things off with accessibility. In Cosmic Alpha 6, System 76 is really doubling down on making sure everyone can use their desktop with ease. A new desktop zoom feature has been introduced, which can be activated through the settings under accessibility directly from the panel applet, or even using key combinations like super plus equals or super plus minus and super plus mouse scroll. Additionally, toggles for both screen reader and screen magnification have been integrated into the accessibility applet, and there's even a shortcut that takes you directly to the accessibility settings panel. Moving on to workflow improvements, Cosmic Alpha 6 has some slick updates that make daily tasks much smoother. The desktop view now offers new icon size and grid spacing options, allowing you to fine-tune your experience. The desktop itself now supports dropping files directly from the file manager, which is super convenient. Furthermore, the Cosmic Launcher has been upgraded so that if your search returns more than 8 entries, it becomes scrollable, making it easier to find exactly what you're looking for. Power actions like shutting down, restarting, or logging out now include a countdown timer, aligning with the behavior in the Power Applet. Workspaces have also seen enhancements. The workspace overview is now scrollable, and clicking on any workspace or even an empty area will exit the overview. In horizontal mode, workspace previews now display the name and number, and you can easily drag minimized windows between workspaces. For those of you with high-resolution displays, Cosmic Alpha 6 introduces new additional scale options that allow you to add between 5% and 20% extra scaling to increase text size precisely. This is a game changer for maintaining clarity and crispness on high-res screens. In addition, clicking on a notification toast now takes you straight to the application that generated it, which saves you the hassle of searching for the alert manually. Now let's talk about the apps. The Cosmic Files file manager has received several enhancements. It now supports tab completion in the location bar during manual entry, and you can use the home and end keys to jump to the first and last items respectively. Drag selection scrolling is now supported, and it can handle password-protected zip files both for extraction and compression. Cosmic Edit, the native text editor, has also been updated with a new Revert All Changes option. It automatically scrolls the view when you drag to select large blocks of text, highlights all matches during searches, and prompts for an authentication password if you try to save a file to a root location. The Cosmic Player, which was introduced in Alpha 5, has been refined to include an intuitive empty state that displays an open button when no media is loaded, along with a new file menu. If you resize the player window below a certain width, the seek bar smartly moves to a second row. Music fans will appreciate the updated player, which now shows track information and artwork prominently. And it even adds MPRIS support to display live track details in the sound applet. Beyond these major updates, several other tweaks and improvements have been implemented. You can now copy and paste using the middle mouse button, and the default font has been updated with Open Sans, replacing Fira Sans, while Nodo Sans Mono has become the default for terminal text. Memory usage across all Cosmic apps has been reduced, and a new Windows Gravitate to Edges setting has been added in window management. Additionally, the settings now allow you to change the default text editor, and a range of bug fixes have been addressed. From display refresh rates in the settings under display to improved handling of multi-window app thumbnails, as well as a fix for an issue that was causing Steam to crash. Other improvements include a new battery fully charged icon, an updated automatic color calculation feature for themes, and a more intuitive calendar widget that no longer auto selects a day when navigating between months. And that's a wrap on Cosmic Desktop Alpha 6. If you're already running Pop! OS 24.04 Alpha, these updates might have already landed on your system through the Cosmic Store. If you want to try it out for yourself, head over to the System 76 website, download the new Pop! OS 24.04 Alpha ISO with Cosmic Alpha 6 pre-installed, and either flash it to a USB drive or run it in a virtual machine. Let me know in the comments what you think about these changes and which feature you're most excited about. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.